welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the RD-Diag HT from TopTon, which features full system diagnostics that are designed to offer comprehensive insights by reading and clearing codes across all major systems, including engine, transmission, and ABS, among others. Next is the Ken Tool Truck Tire Service Kit, which is engineered for long-lasting performance in the shop or on the road. The kit includes the T45A tubeless tire iron, a 30-inch shovel-end tire spoon, the T11ES bead braking wedge with safety handle, the T35 heavy-duty tire hammer with a 16 half-inch handle with a replaceable rubber head, and more. Our third tool is the Milwaukee Tool 3-piece 3/8-inch drive locking extension set, which includes 3-inch, 6-inch, and 10-inch locking extensions. The extensions offer the largest knurling surface on both the shaft and female drive-in, allowing precise control when hand tightening fasteners or working with oily materials. Next is the X-Tool HT Guru, which offers heavy-duty vehicle diagnostics via standard OBD2 protocols with over 60 bidirectional tests, more than 35 Cummins dedicated functions, and advanced feature and parameter programming across 45 applications. Finally, our last tool is the ProBalance Diagnostic Wheel Balancer from Coates, which is designed to be a high-performing direct drive wheel balancer with new diagnostics. It's up to 10 times faster than non-direct drive balancers and is backed by a 10-year warranty on the motor. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issue by following links below. See you next week.